wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best vinyl record washers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Uncomplicated but effective, the techplay set helps you remove debris from the grooves of your discs, improving their playing quality and their appearance. Just be ready to complete multiple passes on severely soiled records, as the brush has delicate bristles. It extends the life of old records, and there's a stylus brush stored inside, but know that the cleaner bottle can leak. At number 8, the sleek and stylish looking Studebaker cleaning system accommodates discs in a variety of sizes, making it a versatile solution. It's designed with dual microfiber brushes that clean both sides of a record simultaneously and efficiently. It includes washable drying cloths and has a clear plastic lid. However, the instructions could be better. Coming in at number 7 on our list. Even if you can't see the microscopic particles that are negatively affecting the sound quality of your album, you can feel confident that the Boytone LP cleaner is getting rid of them. The handle of the brush rotates, allowing you to easily wash the bristles. This is a simple and affordable option, and the firm bristles hold up well, but it doesn't come with any instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vinyl record washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, sure, the vinyl style deep groove will remove the dirt, smudges and stains from your old records, but it will also dry them fully once the scrubbing process is complete. This means you don't have to wait around when you could be jamming to your tunes. It cleans 7 to 12-inch discs and comes with a generous supply of cleaning fluid. However, it is tough to pour the liquid back in the bottle. Moving up our list to number 5. You're looking to clean some discs, not perform surgery, so there's no reason it should be a complex process. To use the Knox kit, simply apply a couple of drops of cleaning fluid to the pad, press it to the album, and hold it there for 3 revolutions of the turntable. It includes a storage pouch and a lightweight and compact dust brush. It doesn't emit a chemical smell either. At number 4, the vinyl vac wand attaches directly to the hose of most standard household vacuums, creating a long, slender channel of suction that can pull debris off a whole album. You're even able to regulate how powerful the suction is. It's equipped with a durable O-ring for a tight seal and includes album protection pads. It lifts dust from grooves effectively. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, everything you need to keep your collection playing at its best comes in a handy tin storage container with the retro musique kit. It includes solution, an anti-static carbon fiber brush for deep cleaning the grooves, as well as a brush for cleaning the stylus. The brush won't damage needles, and it comes with wet and dry wipes to remove static as well. It's backed by a 30-day returns policy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vinyl record washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, lots of albums have been around for decades, but that doesn't mean they have to look ancient and battered. With regular use of the record-heavy premium, your LPs will look and sound significantly younger and will last for many more years. It comes with a 2-year satisfaction guarantee and a brush made of soft velvet. It reduces static charge noticeably. And taking the top spot on our list, the Spin Clean Mark II comes with everything you need to get an old LP looking and sounding like new again. The large, sturdy washing basin holds full-sized albums with ease, and it includes plenty of fluid for those of you with extensive collections. It includes 2 drying cloths and rollers that operate very smoothly. Cleaning takes less than 5 minutes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vinyl record washers, or simply click beneath this video.